term 2, and today I'm going to start chapter number 8, which is carts and wheels. That means chapter number 8 heading is carts and wheels. So by reading at this heading, what do you mean by this heading? Means carts and wheels. Means carts and wheels. देखिए आपको क्या समझ में आता है कि ये चैप्टर में क्या होगा? Means what is the concept of this chapter? So let me clear to you. In this chapter, we will learn about the circle. Yes, because carts and wheels, basically you are knowing wheels are a circle in shape, right? Which how many things are there? Which shape is circle, right? In our daily basis, we are using at our home that things. That means coins. I am having the coin. See, coin shape is circle, right? And we are using plates, then cup, mugs, and ऊपर का shape जो होता है वो circle होता है, right? That means हमें यहाँ पे ये चैप्टर में सर्कल के बारे में पढ़ना है. Means what is the shape of a circle? Means how we can draw the circle by using the compass, by using the free hand. Which shape we can use, which thing we can use to make the circle. So in this chapter we have to learn about these basic things. And yes, also you will learn about the main words, which is the radius and diameter. Yes, we will learn about these two words. With the help of these words, we can measure the circle, we can draw the circle. So firstly, I am showing to you how we can draw the circle with the different object. So in your workbook, the first question is do as per instruction, right? And first is draw a circle using a bangle. Draw a circle using the bangle. So I am doing that. Draw a circle by using a bangle. So right now we are not using bangle, but yes, I can show to you with the help of this cap of bottle. I am having the cap of bottle. So with the help of this cap of bottle, we can draw the circle perfectly. See, like this way. Like this way, you can draw the circle. You can able to see perfectly circle shape I have drawn on the board. See, so draw a circle by using a bangle. So you can put the bangle and you can draw with the pencil in your notebook. So these wise we can draw circle shape. Likewise, same wise I am using this coin. Second one is with the help of coin. We have to make the circle. Number 2 is draw a circle by using a coin. So already coins तो सबने देखी होंगे. Okay, I am having rupees 10 coin, right? 10 rupees coin I am having. So with the help of this coin, I am drawing here. I am drawing on the board this circle. Okay, it is look like very small in this. See, you can able to see I have drawn this small circle with the help of this coin. So what is our concept? With the different objects, we can draw the circle with the different sizes. Yes, we can draw different sizes circle with the different objects. And another example I am giving you of pencil. With the help of pencil, you can draw another example I am giving you. Draw a circle by using a pencil. So with the help of pencil, I can't show to you on the board, right? You can draw this circle in your notebook with the help of pencil, right? But I am using here chalk. So I am showing to you directly with the free hand. We can draw a circle like this way. But what you have to imagine right now that I am using pencil, right? You can do like this way. You can draw the circle like this way with the help of pencil in your notebook. So it is very easy. But what the things that you need to take care, that circle should round, because you can't draw like this way. This is wrong. You can't draw like this with a circle shape. So with a free hand you can draw like this way, right? Number fourth is with the help of compass. With the help of compass you have to draw the circle. Okay, in the geometry box that compass is given. I will show to you that compass, and you all are aware about the compass, right? Means in the geometry box whichever equipments are given, with the help of that we can make the circle. So here in this chapter our concept is about the circle only. And let me clear to you how many things that we are using in our routine life, right? At our home. Many things are there with shape of circle that we are using at our home. Already I had given to you the example of coin, bangle, that cap of bottle, plates, mug. मीन्स मग का जो ऊपर का पोर्शन होता है वो आप देख सकते हो कि वो भी कौन से शेप का होता है, सर्कल शेप, राइट? सो मैनी थिंग्स आर दैट which we can take as example of circle. And wheels, which is the biggest example, right? wheels के जो shapes होते हैं वो भी क्या होते हैं, सर्कल ही होते हैं. And universal natural things कौन सी है हमारे पास, sun and moon, right? तो sun and moon का shape भी क्या होता है, सर्कल. Means these all the things are of about the circle. Now in the next video I will show to you how to draw the circle with the help of compass with perfect measurement. So in this video what we have seen, with the help of different equipments how we can draw the circle, with the help of pencil, with the help of coin, with the help of bangle, right? And in this chapter in your book different size of bangles are given. Means if we are talking about the bangles shape, तो आपकी जो साइज होती है वो एंड आपकी जो मदर की साइज होती है बैंगल की वो शेप, तो वो दोनों साइजेस अलग अलग होती है. दैट मीन्स if I am talking about your mother bangle size, right? So that bangle size you can't wear because your size is small than that bangle size, and that your mother's bangle size is very big. So ऐसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं वर्ड्स कि आपकी जो साइज होती है वो स्मॉल होती है एंड आपकी जो मदर की बैंगल की साइज होती है वो बिग होती है. सो इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक दिस कंसेप्ट इज गिवन ऑफ बैंगल्स. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ बैंगल आई एम शोइंग टू यू this circle with this cap. Okay, why I have drawn this again, because I want to show to you that which object is best for this circle. Means कौन से object से हम बहुत अच्छा circle draw कर सकते हैं. This is the concept only in this chapter. See, I have drawn this circle by using a bangle, but I have taken here the cap of bottle. And second one is draw a circle using a coin. So I am using the coin of 10 rupees. And I am drawing here that circle with this coin. See, so you can able to see the different sizes circle we have drawn. This circle is little bit big rather than this circle, and this circle is small because दोनों की sizes अलग अलग है. Now, which is the best circle which we can draw with the different object? Means bangle से भी हम draw कर सकते हैं, coin से भी draw कर सकते हैं, and we can color into it. In your workbook your first question is already given that color the circle. So in your workbook in this question we have drawn the circle, but downside one line is given that in biggest circle you have to color this red, right? That means I am using the this orange color, so you can color it with this orange color like this way. See, it is little bit very interesting because in this chapter you have to draw the circle as well as you have to color into it. So you have to remember with the different object we can draw different sizes circle and we can color it. I am coloring it because in your workbook the last sentence is given that color the red in the biggest circle. Means in the biggest circle you have to color it with the red. And in the second number which circle we have drawn with the help of coin, which is small circle, right? So I am coloring it with the green color. you have to color it very nicely in this whole circle with the help of green color. See, it is look like very beautiful. Biggest circle which we have drawn with the help of Bengal, which is orange color here, but in your workbook the color is given red. So you can color it with the help of red color. And in the second number, which we have drawn the circle with the help of coin, which is smallest circle, which I have filled with the green color. So here you have to just understand these things only, that with the different shape, with the different objects, we can draw the different sizes circle. I hope that all you have understood this video very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.